begin. The current session, titled as Product Ready Tips and Tricks, is a short mentoring session where we will be sharing with you the tips and tricks you can use in your tomorrow's upcoming evaluation session to sell your final products to your evaluators. As we all know, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है, and showcasing your product is the must in marketing. As for this session, we have with us our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Ma'am, Professor Dr. Preeti Bajaj, and Shri Ajay Rajawat ji from Innovation Cell of MHRD. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Let me just first of all congratulate all the participants and my you can say my salute to the jury members provided by Galgotia University who made that possible, that the evaluation are going in a very smooth phase. So as the session is already about product development and what is the strategy, so let me just directly come to the point. I'm here addressing all the students. So here in Smart India Hackathon, during evaluation process, you are basically showing them the steps you have taken to solve the problem. But instead of that, in the evaluation part, you are showing the features of your product. So be specific. This is the point number one. Be specific. Just show them, just show to the evaluators and juries like how specifically you have targeted that particular problem and how your solution is going to tackle that problem at an instance that in one shot they're going to get the answer. Yes, this is the problem and this guy has given us solution for that first. So we are heading for the conclusion right now. So let me just tell you one more thing. Note down these points. Have a pen and paper for the tomorrow's evaluation, because I think it's definitely going to work out for those who are right now suffering from the performance and anxiety like I was suffering at that time of my interview. Okay, write down these points. First point is you have to be confident during your presentation, even though your jury member or evaluator is trying to probe into your code. Second thing, the major one, start your presentation with your, not with your code, not with the source code. I've seen today, people are showing the codes, even though you don't know like the jury member is familiar with Python or not, but still you're showing code. So it's going to extend the time of that particular presentation. Okay, don't do it. Simply show the UI and the front end part. That's it. All set. Coming to the third point. After showing your UI part, if you are, if an evaluator is asking for something technical, then you have to go into the technical, because you are right now in the final year or the third year. You might not know all things about Python, all things about the programming language. There's so many versions being released. Once you are going to join any company, I think the newer version of the Python will be released. So don't go into the technical, stuck to the approach, stuck to the problem statement. As far as the things are concerned, I'm repeating again and again. Go to the site website again, read the problem once again. And after that, prepare your presentation, not in PPT. When I'm referring to presentation, it's not PPT. It's like how you're projecting your idea in front of evaluator. So try to be more specific in terms of product representation, guys. And I'm wishing you all the best for tomorrow's evaluation. And students who are listening me for student innovation category, you will be having a power judging round also. So be ready for another blossom round conducted by AICT people, jury members, evaluators, ministry peoples, and also us. So if you're having any query, you can just write down in the chat box and host can let us know, and we'll try to answer it. Try to make it a bit short and crisp. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for listening me.
Thank you, everyone.
Many a times we go for teamwork. For last one tip from my side would be, many a times we go for friendship. We go for, everybody should be given time, and then within that we do some mistake. We miss some important part. So present what was your, how you have addressed the problem, rather than, as Ajay has clearly said, see, may not be the exactly code start with. So all the best. Thank you so much, Ajay. Within short time, you have made it possible. And, afternoon we decided, and then you are here. That's such a great, AICT, all MHR, AIC, MIC division working so hard. It's such a amazing to work with. This is my fourth edition. For 3 years, we were center. Raisoni were center for 2, and then now at Galgotias. My experience with the complete team is so good. Thank you so much.